Hello everyone. So we just want to get started to read first question. Here is mentioned declare a variable grade as a character with an initial value of a. Alright. So now, as you know, for character we use char. Alright. Char grade is equal. Don't forget to write this upper comma, and we write the value which is inside it. Now we just write, we need to define the constant pi with the value of this one. Here they just ask us to define, so we just write define. So we before write define, we just write hashtag define pi, and there's no equal. Be careful, there's no equal here, and we just write it this one, and there's no semicolon at the end. Now here I guess you might know how to solve this one. Let's escape it. Now here they ask us to show the output of the following code segment. Now let's get started. They initialize and define all of these variables: x equal to 1, x2 equal to 1, I, y, z. Now, and float f. Y is equal to 5 plus x minus minus. What does this mean? Minus minus is actually it's the same form with x minus minus is equal to x equal to x, then x is gonna be equal to x minus 1. Alright, actually program is stupid. That's what you might be think. Alright, so we say, oh, how it's gonna be minus minus. Here the first statement, when we just print f, is gonna be show the same amount, nothing will be changed. But the another printf, it's gonna declare only one from the x. Let's see here. I just need to delete all of this, or I'll just hang on. Just want to see. We just need to get x, because I don't want you to be confused. Let's delete this one and delete this one. Alright, so let's see. Here it's mentioned that x minus minus, and x minus minus, firstly it's gonna be 1 as I showed to you before, then it's gonna be equal to x minus 1. So see here, minus minus, so it's gonna be the same one. It's gonna print here 6, but the another formula is gonna be 0, because 1 minus 1 is 0, so it will only print 5. Guys, I just did this one. So here 6, here 6 and 5. So the same way, if it's plus plus, so first it will doesn't have any change in the first one. The second one, it will have increased only 1 to 5, so it's gonna be 2 here and 5 here, it's gonna be 7, and here 5 plus 1 6, 6 and 7, right? What if it plus before? There's gonna be 7 and 7, plus equal to x plus 1. This one is a plus. Alright, so minus x, our x is gonna be x minus 1. If it's x plus a plus, then we have get first one, I'll just write it here, first one, first, nothing will be changed, second, here x is gonna be equal to x plus 1. Alright, and the same way as it, if it minus, but all it just declare 1. Alright, so just memorize all of this stuff. Now let's solve another one. Here they ask about integer I equal 4, j, oh sorry, just you can follow the steps. I think the hardest one is this one, so just print it here 6, and x plus which it is 1 is gonna be 2 plus 5 is gonna be 7, and we have got here float, so whenever we divide it there is comma, don't forget to write a comma. You can see 10 divided by 4, 2.5, multiply by I, which the I here is 3 because it's integer. Here is integer, there's no 0.5 here because it's integer. So when we multiply each other we got 7.5. we just write it here. Now let's see here, they mention enter the first integer, which is 4, 3, 6, 4. I 4 multiply and equal. What does this mean? It means here that I is equal to I multiply by this one, like exactly the same way here. So we just substitute numbers here and we got 36, the final. Right, now here they ask about draw the flowchart to read 5 numbers from keyboard and calculate and display the average of these 5 numbers. So they need the average, so we just get input and 1 2 3 4 5 numbers here. I guess we don't use loop here because they didn't ask about from the users, something like that. So we got the average divided by the same amount, print average and end. Now the last question, let's get, first of all, the first mistake, there's no equal here, and let's see, they mention here integer ending and month are day. Alright, there is no this bracket. Now we just move on. We can see there is no and here, Actually, all of this stuff